Hey DIY lovers, ready to ditch those chemical creams? Today I'm showing you how to make this amazing all-natural tallow whip that's a game changer for your skin. Let's get started. Hi everyone and welcome back to the Handy Dandy Bee. My name is Marie and today I am so excited to share this new DIY tallow whip. This DIY skincare product is a great alternative for store-bought cream, and it's packed with amazing benefits for your skin. And did you know that tallow has been used for centuries and it's perfect for anyone looking for a more natural, non-toxic skincare solution? So what are we waiting for? Let's get started. To make our luxurious tallow whip, you'll need just a few simple ingredients: grass-fed beef tallow, organic castor oil, and your favorite essential oil. Today I'm using lavender. You will also need 1 cup and 1/4 cup. And let's not forget a mixer. Okay, we will need 1 cup of beef tallow. Did you know tallow is rich in vitamin A, D, E, and K, which are crucial for skin health? Its composition is very similar to our skin's natural oils, making it incredibly nourishing and easily absorbed. It helps to moisture, repair, and rejuvenate the skin, leaving it super soft. Next, we have organic castor oil. This powerhouse oil is packed with ricinoleic acid, which helps to hydrate and heal the skin. It's also excellent for reducing inflammation and providing a protective barrier to lock in moisture. Now that we have those 2 ingredients, we're going to put it in the mixer and we're just going to let that mix for a little bit at high speed. Here we go. Look at that. I'm so excited to try this on. Okay, I've been mixing this for about 5 minutes now. And I'm gonna do it for another minute. I love this stuff. I love it. Okay, now it's time to add the essential oil of your choice, which again, I chose lavender. It's great for reducing redness, irritation, and helps promote a more even skin tone. Plus, it smells absolutely amazing. Okay, look at this consistency. Yes! I love it. Okay, I think it is ready. It's done. Look at that. Look at that creamy. Look at that. Oh my. This is nice. Okay. Just the consistency that I need. Nice and creamy. Okay. Might as well just rub this in. I'm not gonna rub it in my skin because I already put some on my skin. So I'm gonna ask my little one so I can moisturize my little one. Come here. Might as well, you know, I'm not gonna put any to waste. Girl, your skin is hella dry. Hold up. Let's put some more on that. All right, thank you for letting me use some of your skin. Thank you. All right, now we're going to jar it up. You can use whatever jar you want. Honestly, this is a jelly jar, a strawberry jelly jar that I like to recycle. Look at how big they are. I love them. They're great. There's no need to have to buy something when we could just recycle. All right. I got 1 jar, and I probably can put more in my little container that I have for on the go whenever I need it. You can actually use this for your lips, for your face, all over your body. And there you have it. Just with these 3 simple ingredients: tallow, castor oil, and your choice of essential oil. Now you too have your DIY tallow whip. And the best part, no harsh chemicals. Yes, that's a win. That's a win. That's a win. No toxic chemicals. No toxic. Come here, Jack. Come here, Jack. Dance it. Dance it. Come here. No more toxic chemicals. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up. I would really appreciate it. And leave a comment of your favorite essential oil. I really want to know what's yours because I have a great collection of mine. So I would love to know what yours is. And don't forget to subscribe for the Handy Dandy Bee for some DIY tips and eco-friendly solutions. Thanks for watching and happy DIYing. Until next time.